Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and I am finally getting a chance to open that box that we got in the cargo shipping. I didn't make a video about me receiving it and then ending it right there because everyone was so mad because I would make a video about getting a box and never actually opening it. Well, today we get to open it. I'm going to open it. I'm going to edit the video in a little bit more of a creative way. Just in case you were wondering, this is a small bore channel called Small Engine Velocity, 450cc or less, and generally it's scooters, ruckuses, China bikes, any bike that's 450cc's or less. If that sounds like something that's interesting to you, do me a favor and go ahead and subscribe and click on that bell so you can be notified of new videos whenever they arrive. So let's go ahead and get to it. We're going to go ahead and open it and get it out of the box. I won't assemble any of the parts on it. This is just getting out of the box. Then we'll go into detail to walk around the bike to kind of get a good view as to what it looks like straight out of the box. Anyways, I invited my brother to come over here. He's going to go ahead and help me take it out. It's about to rain right now, so we're going to get out as quickly as we can. Anyways, here we go. Okay, well, here it is, the American Lifan x-pect. Da-da-da-da. See? X-pect. And it comes in a beautiful orange, single cylinder, 200cc. There's the starter, the petcock. The shifter is not a linkage. It is directly on here, which I'm gonna like. Very much. You can see the frame. What else is in there? Looks like there's an interface or a connector here. I'll probably have to tuck that back in, but I might be the port for troubleshooting the EFI. Foldable pegs that don't stay up. Rear set. And your chain guard. There's a guard down here. So if you hit something, it's not going to hit your sprocket. I like these tires. They look like a 60-40 split. 60% street, 40% off-road. Here's your storage compartment for your tools, if you want to bring some with you. Tail light with giant, this seems to be the standard right here. Is that a rear drum brake back here? Set. Here's your exhaust with a cover for your leg. Kickstart right here. First motorcycle I've ever had as a kickstart. There's your throttle body for your fuel injection. There's your injector. You can even see it in there. There you go. Your cable linkage. Your oil cap, your sensor, or sensor, your thing to see the oil, which means there's a drain plug down here somewhere. There it is, drain plug. Here's your handlebars. I haven't put the handlebars on yet. So you'd imagine it's very hard to move this thing around without handlebars. Gauge cluster with your analog tack and your digital speedometer with all your gauges and stuff. Some buttons. This is the first time I've had a bike that has a lock for the ignition. You can put that thing in here and drop the lock cover. Then you have your front tire, your headlight, which looks like they have a standard bulb in there, your front fender, and your front wheel with a disc up in the front. A nice long seat. Looks like you can pull this off. Yeah, there you go. And then there's mounting points for the rear box. I can put this back on here so it doesn't fall off when I'm riding. Rear handles, a nice long seat, looks pretty comfortable. Your 400 warning stickers telling you how to start it, obey the law, engine stop switch on the handlebars, use unleaded gas, 85 and up, and do not store vehicle for long periods of time with dust in the tank or with the positive battery cable connected. Well, there you go. It looks kind of incomplete because I don't have the handlebars on there. I like it. And this is different. So this is one of those times that I wish, like, motovlogger, I think his name, Small Adventures, lived in this area. By the way, if you look, I was pulling the vines off the side of the house, so please ignore the mess. That we could ride together. I live near Sam Houston National Park. There's lots of gravel roads and dirt and all sorts of stuff over there. So if you remember Mystery Guy, who has the TT250, if you watched any of my earlier videos, we're refabbing his back up again to get it to run right so that we can ride in the on the gravel up there. We may just cart the bikes up there and then ride around the whole day and kind of get our little adventures going on. I've never ridden on gravel, so if you have some suggestions below or some video links you want to suggest on how to ride on gravel and dirt, please let me know, because I've never done it before. So the next video that we're going to do is going to be the first ride video. So we're going to finish putting everything back together. It's about to rain. We're going to finish putting it all together, and then we're going to do a couple of rides around the block, and then maybe a little bit of a moto vlog. I won't have any tags, so I'll just kind of go up and down the street with it and kind of give you my first impressions. One thing I am concerned about is height, but we'll see. We'll see. I'd like to share this bike with some other people to see what they think. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Now you know what I have. If you have any suggestions or any plans, or you live in the area and you want to show me some cool places to ride, stuff like that, please let me know. Please let me know. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see everybody in the next video.